Okay, so we get regular size, extra large, latex free, thin feel, intense feel. Okay. Strawberry flavor. Wait, why they gon' need strawberry flavor balloon? One day, wetin be like say no fit happen, go happen. Person go agree, make you and am straff. Congratulations, so. Omo, shey you never forget something, so. Yes, so, that one sef dey important. But na condom I dey talk about now. Na very good thing to use condom when you and person wan straff. Condoms na ogbonge way to make sure say person no carry belle, catch HIV and STI. I don see say you still need help. Make I dash you some kind sense on how you fit use condom wella. Check for the expiry date on the condom package to make sure say the condom never expire. Open the condom. Make sure say you no use teeth or scissors or any sharp object. Make you for no cut the condom, spoil am. Before you begin comot the condom for the pack. E suppose be like small cap wey dem dey wear for head. Hold the top of the condom. Make you for remove any air wey dey inside. Then roll am down to the end of the prick wey already dey stand kakaraka. The condom suppose dey easy to wear. If no be so, e fit be say na the back you wear so, and you gats throw away am. Wear another one. Make sure say you use one condom for one round. Once you don pour finish, comot the prick as e dey stand. Hold the downside of the prick to make sure say the condom no fall. Comot the condom, then tie am, make the sperm no pour throway. Use tissue paper wrap am, come throway am put inside dustbin. Condoms dey get different shape and size. E follow get different color and feel for body. E dey important to make sure say you find the type wey go dey okay for you and the person wey you wan follow straff. Some condoms get lubricant to make sure say everything move well, and other condoms no get. For the condoms wey no get this oil, you fit use water-based lubricant like KY jelly or any lubricant for pharmacy. Make sure say you no use Vaseline or other lubricant because all those ones fit come spoil the condom. You fit buy condom for plenty places like pharmacy, drugstores, supermarkets, and even some petrol stations sef dey sell. Person no fit too young or too old to buy condom. So, if you get luck, the first time wey you go knack no go be the last time. Remember say, you gats dey responsible, protect yourself and the person wey you wan knack. Try dey always use condom. This na the last time I go send Casey to buy balloon. Till next time, no forget to visit me for AMAZE.org or make you visit my YouTube channel to watch more. Bye.